Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, okay guys, so I just put conditioner on my hair and I showed you guys what my hair looked like dry, and this is what this section of my hair looked like wet. And this is not my edges, this is kind of like towards the back, kind of middle part of my head. And you guys, I was really thinking too, was like, well, maybe the texture of my hair is really different just on my edges, because y'all, my camera's shaking because my son is downstairs acting like a daggum Ninja Turtle. But I just really want to get these videos in here for you guys. But I was really thinking like maybe my hair, because it was postpartum shedding. Once again, if you guys don't know, I had my son February 2020. I had many braids in. Postpartum shedding happened for me 5 months later after I took my braids out of my head. Left me with no hair, y'all. He left me with no hair. Then my hair started growing back, but then I got COVID in July of 2021, and all 45% of the density of my hair fell out. November of 2021, November 3rd. And now my hair is growing back in fully, but I noticed that my hair texture changed, and someone said, well, it's probably your postpartum shedding that has grown back in, and now the texture is different. I was like, dadgum, you know, maybe it is because I was on like this part of my hair, which was completely bald. And I can show you guys where this strand of my hair was completely bald. So I was like, okay, let me test the theory to see like if the rest of my hair done changed. And when I'm braiding my hair, like my daggum light is playing games with me right now. But when I do the rest of my hair, I'm like, y'all, I know that my hair, it feels softer and it feels different. And the curl pattern is just feeling kind of like she's wanting to give a different pattern or a different feel. Like it feels okay. Like this, the light ain't fit to take me out. I'm gonna get these daggum videos done for y'all, but you can't see it now. So this is what my hair is giving now, and I know it's kind of giving a little, ooh, okay. So I know it's kind of giving a little frizz. It is giving frizz, but I don't even think I can show you guys what my hair actually looked like before. But if y'all been here for a long time, like, it didn't look like this. But what I'm fixed to do, oh my goodness, what I'm supposed to do is just braid up this section of my hair back, because I was testing it with a couple of my gels, and the dry form that you guys see my hair in, that was my DIY gel that was giving me super hold 3 days later. And I didn't stretch my hair or anything, but I was just trying to make sure like the product didn't flake. But you guys, my hair texture, I don't even know, like, even looking at my hair down here, like, my ends is giving, who's that girl? And yes, you guys, I am most definitely embracing what my hair is becoming, what it is. Y'all know I loved my old hair texture, and I'm gonna just go along with this journey and just have fun with it. It's a new journey, and I'm just here, like I keep saying before, just to report to you guys and let y'all know what's going on with my hair since I've had COVID and my son. And for y'all not to beat y'allself up too much, especially if you've had a son or you've experienced COVID hair shedding, which y'all told me that okay, so this daggum light, I'm gonna have to fix before the next video, because that's not the bee's knees. But I didn't even know that you can experience shedding from the shot as well. Ma'am, clutch my pearls is what I have to say to you. Like, bless your little heart and soul. The light. Bless your little heart. I am so sorry for that. Like, that is just ridiculously crazy. But I just put that braid back in. I retwisted my hair earlier this week, but my hair is already grown out so much, and I feel like my hair already needs to be rebraided, and I rebraided it like two weeks ago. So this is what my hair is giving in the back with it wet. And you guys already seen what it's giving in the front. So hopefully you guys can see that really good. But I'm really just interested in seeing what all of my hair is going to look like down. But today is July. It is not July. It's July. Yay! Look at me know what the date is. Daggum. It is July 22. Oh my goodness. It's July 22nd, 2022. It's not 2022. It's 2023. The light. Today is July 22nd, 2023. Okay, guys. I'm probably going to leave my braids in, and these are the stained parts that my sister-in-law put in my hair, and I'm trying to leave my hair in. I'm trying to leave my hair in until December, which is when my sister-in-law parted my hair. But I am so anxious to, like, see. The light is anxious. The light is anxiously wanting me to just not record today. That's what happened when you buy the dadgum wrong cord on Amazon and you don't feel like waiting another 5 days for another one to come. Y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all done see me acting nut on this camera. Bye, guys.